Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the garage. This video is just a super quick update to tell you what we've been up to with the Townmate. There's been a little bit of work gone on today, and I'll tell you what, I've found it super easy, and there's a reason for that, and the reason is Kieran did all the work while I did something else. So tell us, Kieran, what have I done today?
You've done pretty well at supervising,
yeah.
Whilst I did all of the sort of grinding, welding, measuring, cutting, all of the tasks involved, turning kind of odd bits of scrap into delightful bits of work.
So talk us through it then. What have you actually done? What was wrong? What has been repaired? And can we have a look at it?
Yes, indeed.
Thanks very much.
So on the steering assembly thing, whatever it is, one of the brackets for the indicator had got pretty much gnarled up and ruined, so I've had to cut off the crappy bit of metal that was in place using a bit of spare stuff that we've had in the bin of goodness, and then weld it in place and drill a hole.
And it's turned out quite nicely actually, and I must say you've done a very fine job, thank you very much.
Thanks very much.
Additionally to that, I have just started keying this up for paint and just prepping it. Not going to do the best paint job in the world, it's just going to be a functional paint job because, like all our projects, this is a budget restoration. There is no budget, we are skinning, we've got no money, so we're going to find some paint for this and probably do this green.
Pink?
Green. So we'll see what the colour that turns out to be in the end, but yes, the prepping has sort of been done and more to follow. So that's all we've been doing at the moment. As we've mentioned elsewhere, we have had a couple of weeks off, but we are back to the grind now. Kieran's got some big news coming up, so we're excited for that. So that will be revealed shortly.
Yes, just as soon as I can get some video time together for myself. But yes, exciting stuff for me and the universe.
And in the meantime, bear with us, more to come soon. We are on Facebook, you can find us on Facebook as always, and come and have a chat with us. We get quite lonely. It's nice to have a talk with you on Facebook.
Someone other than him for a change is nice to have a chat with.
Yeah, so go and do that. The link's down below. And other than that, we shall see you in the next one. More Townmate updates to come, Kieran's big news to come, and other things to come soon. So
many things to come.
Ta-ra for now!
Bye-bye!
Good afternoon, everybody.
Clang.
Yeah.